In the system of equations above, a is a constant. If the system of equations has no solution, what is the value of a? Here's another question very similar to the previous one. Again, in a system of equations, if you have no solution, it means you have the same slope. Your equations have the same slope. Remember, these equations are already in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, so we are focusing on looking at m. So if the slope here is 2, a must be 2. And that's it. The answer has got to be D.